Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Don Tim right here. And in this video, I just wanted to show you guys my new apartment, my new one-room apartment here in my school. Right? It's just a quick tour, show you guys my room and how it actually looks like. Right? So I just started packing in today. I just bought only a few of my stuff. Right? So starting from the outside, I'm going to start showing you guys how it looks like, right? So this is how the outer part looks like. I just bought this. It's my drawing board in school, right? So that's the junction box. This is my kitchen window. So this is the door, the entrance door, and yeah, it's an iron door. And there is this thing I like about this door, this mirror right here. It looks pretty cool, I guess. Okay, so I just got this curtain yesterday. I think the curtain looks good as well. All right, so right here I have one socket. All right, I have the bulb. This one, I don't know what happened to the glass. Okay, I'll still put one curtain right here for the entrance. Just tell me what you guys think. So I have another curtain right there. So that's another bulb. Okay, I'll be keeping my shoes right there. And here's my kitchen. Here's my toilet. Let me start with my toilet. Okay. Yeah, so this is my toilet. This is the wash hand basin, or rather whatever you call it. The water is not rushing right now. So I have a tap right here. Okay, the control. Then I have my shower. I feel like the toilet is not really spacious, but it's quite good. Then I have the bulb right there. All right, so this is the toilet. I have my tissues. I've not done anything in this room. Like, I've basically not done anything. I just packed like some of my stuff, like few of my stuff. Like everywhere is still empty, as you guys can see. Okay, so let me close the toilet. Okay, so this is where I have my switch for the toilet and the kitchen. Currently there is no light, so this is my kitchen. I just brought in my gas. This is my gas cylinder and this is my double cooker. And I feel like this is a lot for a student, but I just did it, right? So this is my basin, right? It's my sink. Okay, so let me just test out the gas cylinder. Boom. So that is it. Okay, this is where I'll be cooking, even though I don't know how to cook. But I've already promised myself that I must learn how to cook, no matter what. Let me just quickly off it. All right. I've promised myself that I must learn how to cook. So this socket is actually for cooker, in case I'm using an electric cooker. So this is what the socket is for, right? But I don't have an electric cooker. What I have is a gas cooker, so it's probably useless. Or maybe in the future I might get one. So I have some stuff, my pot and stuff. I'm still going to bring other thing, and I'm thinking of putting something right here and also something right here to use and be hanging my stuff. And I don't really know how to plan. Please, if you know how to plan a room, like in the interior of your room, please just hit me down there. Maybe I'll take one or two advice from you. Right, so this is the window. I have mosquito net. Not quite like exotic, but I think the room is very spacious and it's quite cool. Right, it's quite cool. So I'm thinking of setting up my studio, my recording studio, somewhere here. Right, but my shoe is already taking this space. But even at that, I'm still thinking, I don't know yet. Then my bed will occupy that space. My bed is quite big. Then, or maybe here, my studio will be right here. But I don't want it to be I don't want it to be facing the door, so that when someone opens the door, you won't see my studio. I would like my studio to be somewhere here, somehow secretive, somehow like, on its own, right? So that is it. That is my plan for this room. I tried finding somewhere that is very spacious, because I really need space. That's why I'm moving out from where I'm staying. I really need space. That's why rented this apartment for myself and myself alone, right? I really want to go all in my YouTube stuff, so that's why I'm really doing this. I just want to have my time to make more good content. And if you have been observant enough, for the past months right now, I've not been consistent like I used to on YouTube. That's because I'm going through a whole lot in school, right? A whole lot of tasks is really weighing me down, but right now I'm making arrangements to kickstart the whole journey again. Alright, so I'm gonna see you guys maybe when I finally set up the room, and I will do another video to show you guys how the room actually looks like. Alright, so with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in today's video. A big shout out to Acer Spade and a big shout out to all of y'all. If you're new, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace out.